Hello everybody, welcome back to our HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change vibration intensity and patterns on your AMAZFIT Balance 2XT. So first, what you guys want to do is go over into the settings. So let's go over and click this button right here at the bottom to open up the app list. Now we want to go over to settings. So here we have them. Now we want to scroll down and go to sound and vibration. So it's right here. And now go over and here we have the vibration. So we have the crown vibration. Here we have the vibration intensity. And here we can lower it or make it higher by tapping on the plus or by swiping with our crown. So here we can make it less. And here what we can also do is go over here and change the vibrate-for alert for an example. And that's how you guys can easily do that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.